can now buy or sell stocks using charts. In hamburger menu, go to equity section. In equity, go to trade and quote. Here you can add the script which you desire to buy or sell. So for example, let's say Reliance Industries is here. Go to charts, and below you can see there is a T icon. You just have to click on T icon and the order window gets open. You have to give your quantity. Let's say that you want to buy 1 share of Reliance Industry. Currently the price is 2474. So let's say that you want to buy at 2454, that is 20 rupees below. Depending upon your technical analysis, you are expecting the prices to come down. You can click on buy. Once you click on buy, you can just click on confirm. As soon as you click on confirm, it will say that the order has been successfully submitted. You can click on OK, and you can go back to watch the order book. You can go to order book and you can check the order status. Here you can see how easily the order is placed using charts.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.